8th Standard Social Science, History, Chapter number 3, Ancient Civilizations of India. Exercises. First main, complete the following sentences. The fertile land that is near Bolan Pass. Answer is Mehergarh. Second one, Harappa was found in the Dash Valley of Punjab. Answer is Sindhu. Third one, Harappan people depended on agriculture and dash. Harappan people depended on agriculture and trade. Next one, the oldest Veda is dash. The oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Fifth one, the priest who conducted yagnas was called as dash in Rig Veda. Answer is Hotar. Second main, answer briefly. First question, write on the special features of Harappa cities. We can see two or more parts in the cities of Harappa. The western part is narrow and at an elevated place. Archaeologists are of the view that this was a citadel. The eastern part is wide and at a lower level. This area has been called the lower town. Every part had a wall made of burnt bricks. Since the bricks around them were placed in an interlocking manner, the walls were very strong. Second question, write a note on the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro, one of the cities, had a water tank. Scholars have called this as the bath tank. It is built of brick so as to prevent the seepage of water from the tank. The bath tank has steps on either sides to go down and has rooms all around. The water was probably supplied to the tank by a well and the used water was let out. Probably very important people used to take bath in this pool on special occasions. Third question, how was the nature of town plan during Harappa civilization? The lower town in the low-lying area of the city was the place of habitation of the people. It was constructed in a very methodical manner. Systematically laid out houses, roads, and drains can be seen here. Almost every person lived in either one or two-storied house. The houses were built of bricks and had strong walls. There were rooms all around the courtyard inside. The main door faced the street. None of the windows opened into the streets. There were bathrooms in the houses. Some houses had wells which supplied water. The cities had a neatly laid out underground sewage system. The drains were built of brick and covered with stone slabs. The gutter of each house was linked to the main drain outside and enabled the flow of dirty water from the house to the main drain. Holes were created in the drains to enable timely cleaning of them. These were all the nature of town plan during Harappan civilization. Question number 4. Name the Vedas. Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. These are the 4 Vedas. Question number 5. What yajna and yagas were important during the Vedic period? Answer is Rajasuya and Ashwamedha Yaga were important during the Vedic period. Sixth question. Name the professions of the post-Vedic period. The people in the later Vedic period had learnt cultivation of rice. Many professions like trade, goldsmith, basket weavers, rope weavers, cloth weavers, carpenters and potters. There were servants, astrologers, flute players, dancers and merchants. These are all the professions of the post-Vedic period.